How much does your two-car garage door weigh? Correct answer C. 300 pounds. Your springs do all the work. It's minus 15 degrees Celsius. Your door won't open. Why? Correct answer B. Cold metal springs. Springs contract in cold. A spring breaks. How dangerous is it? Correct answer C. Can cause serious injury. 200 plus pounds of force. Never DIY springs. How long should a good door last in BC? Correct answer C. 15 to 30 years with maintenance. Our wet winters need care. What's the most expensive repair? Correct answer A. Panels after car hit. Panel damage 500 to 2,000 plus. Check your mirrors.